Dear students, JEE Main 2026 registration begins. And here are the important dates. Visit the official JEE Main 2026 website. Click on Registration for JEE Main 2026 Session 1. Click on New Registration. Read the instructions carefully and check examination centers. Tick checkbox and click on Click here to proceed. Enter your personal details as per your 10th mark sheet. Select a strong password and click on Submit button. Review all entered details carefully. Tick all checked fields. Click on Submit and send OTP to verify your mobile number. Else, click on Edit Registration Form. Enter the received OTP on your registered number and then click on Submit Registration Form. After successful registration, click on the Complete Application Form button. Click on Personal Details button to proceed further. Enter personal details and click on the Save and Next button. Enter disability details, if any, followed by identity details and click on Save and Next. Enter APAR ID details and click on Save and Next. Select your exam papers and city options and click on Save and Next. Enter qualification details and click on Save and Next. Enter additional details and click on Save and Next. Enter emergency contact details and click on Verify and Next. Capture live photograph introduced this year as per the instructions. Ensure a light background and 80% face visibility including ears. Do not use a mask to avoid rejections. Upload the required documents as per the prescribed format to avoid rejections. Review all details carefully before final submission. Review all details and click on Final Submission of Application button. Proceed to verify your registered email ID. Through the applicable payment modes, proceed to pay the application form fee. After successful payment, your JEE Main 2026 Session 1 application will be complete. In case of any queries, feel free to contact us on our General Support Team number 97145 461 696.